Hey guys, so many people thinking that each time they wash their car it will slowly strip wax. So by using a snow foam, logically it will strip wax faster because you literally wash it twice for each car wash, by snow foam then by hand. So when I'm making a wax test video, I noticed something. This was after first wash. Do you see something? Okay, now after the second wash. Do you notice something? This was on the third wash. Now I'm gonna point it out. Take a look at this area. The water beading is still strong on this area, much better than the lower part. So why is it better? It gets the same snow foam and hand wash, a snow foam that a combination of all the snow foam I've ever tried. I'm so lazy to keep so many bottles, so I'm mixing them all in this jar. And a car soap that also a combination of all the car soap I've ever tried. Mix in this jar. The things that will definitely strip wax is heat from the engine, heat from the sun, and dirt. Dirt will strip wax. As you can see, this top area rarely get any dirt on it. That's why the wax still going strong, unlike the lower part. So the answer is no. Car soap, snow foam, even if you use more liquid than needed, it won't strip wax. Because to be honest with you, I also never use the appropriate amount of car soap and snow foam for each time I wash the car. Only for when I'm making a snow foam test video. I hope this helps. Please hit the like button. Thanks for watching.